Hello everyone. I hope you are enjoying my session. So, today we will discuss about the phonic sound of I and I letter sound blending with consonants. So, the phonic sound of I is E. These are some examples. KID kit, MID mit, RE RID read rid, HID heed, PIN THIN thin, SKIN skin, WIN HIM him, SLIM slim, DIM dim, dimple, PIM pim, pimple, FIT feet, PIT pit, LIT lit, BIT bit, PIG pig, BIG pig, SIG sig, NAL null signal, FIG fig, UR figure. I also attached the image of examples. You can see and do the practice at your home. Now, we also pronounce I sound as actual letter sound I. These are some cases or situation where we are pronouncing I as I sound. First, when I follows a consonant and E, then we will pronounce I as I. And I already told you about the magic of E. So magic of E rule also applied over here. And also whenever I follows a consonant and E, we will pronounce I as I. जब भी हम I किसी भी वर्ड में I एक कॉन्सोनेंट और ई के साथ आता है तब हम I को I ही प्रोनाउंस करेंगे. बाइट, फाइन, माइन, नाइन. Okay. Second situation or case is when I is followed by GH. Thigh, high, night, light, fight, right, height, might, sight. So whenever I is followed by GH, then we will pronounce I as I. Okay. The I sound can also be pronounced as I in words like pi or Wi-Fi at the end of a one syllable word. I hope you enjoy the session and you have also cleared your concept. Please give me feedback if you understand my session. It will give me motivation. Thank you so much.